Hey guys, and welcome to ICO Investor. Today we're gonna talk about Primexbt, we're gonna talk about margin trading, copy trading, all of these new features that are going viral on the internet and everyone is finding very helpful at the start of the journey, cryptocurrency journey. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel ICO Investor, and make sure to check the description below for all the links and information needed to start using Primexbt. Have fun. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is on for informational and educational purposes only. So guys, we are now on primexbt.com, the official site of Primexbt, and the link will be in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And we're gonna talk first about copy trading. So we're gonna go to the product section and we're gonna go on copy trading, and it will take us to this page, which is discover a smarter way to trade. So copy trading is basically something that is made for the newcomers in order to take less risks. So there are people on the internet or around the world that are investing in cryptocurrency or in Forex trading or all types of trading for loads and loads of years, and they have a big experience in this field and they are making a lot of money. These people are kind enough to share their experience with the newcomers, and you can simply, by a click of a button, just copy all of their assets that they bought and just wait for the profits, and you will be making the same percentage of profit that they are making. So you just need to go search for someone, see what he's buying, what he's selling, what his winning or profit per year, and you can copy him and just make as much as he does. So let's go down a little bit here, and you can see here, copy the leading traders in 3 simple steps. So the first one is choose a trader. So browse through hundreds of trading strategies and choose the most suitable one. The second one is set an amount. So choose the amount you are willing to allocate in the selected strategy. So you select the money, the amount of money that you want to put in, and then click follow, and you just, by following them, you will be copying every single asset that they bought, and you will be making the same profit as they are doing. So as you can see here in Primexbt, they are giving the most popular people that being copied by other traders, and as you can see here, big money, the total profit is 18.16% in the last 32 days. The followers equity and the followers. The second is one root. It has 15.04% total profit, 82 active days, and as you can see here, they have the followers equity and the followers. And as you can see here, there are some really insane people that, or companies that are making a lot of profit. As you can see here, in the last 131 days, they went up by nearly 6,000%, and they have a lot of followers, a lot of equity. So if you want to just go with the people, the same choice as the other people, you just press this button right here and you will be making the same profit as the other people. But be or have attention on this point, because these people can have a total profit of 5,797% in the last 131 days, but they can have minus 1,000 in one day. So please have a research, do your own research, read about all the assets that they are buying, see their potential in the futures, check their websites, check their communities on Discord, social media, Twitter. Do your own research before going into copy trading, because everything on the internet has risks and you just don't want to lose your money. So yeah, that's it. As you can see here, they have a small list of the most popular people, the most people with equity, the followers, the active days, and of course the profit. And if you go down a little bit here, they have a investing copy trading module for trading, or for traders. So if you want to get started or read more about this section, you're just gonna press this button right here and it will take you to the official page for that thing. And as you can see here, why investing copy trading module. So this is a question that was asked by one of the community members, and they tried to answer it in a really cool way on their official website. So if you have any questions, please make sure to follow them on their social media. They have a YouTube channel where they are posting a lot of videos. They have a Twitter account that we'll be going through in a bit, a Facebook page, Telegram, a Reddit, and of course a Discord. So make sure you check all their social media. The links will be in the description below. So guys, we were talking now about copy trading, and now we're gonna talk about something very interesting in Primexbt, which is margin trading. So you just go to the product section and you press this margin trading button right here, and as you can see here, they say Primexbt trading platform. They are the best crypto and forex broker. They have a lot of Forex awards. It is the best platform for margin trading, and it is ADVFN International Financial Awards, and of course the best crypto trading app, the Forex awards for that one also. As you can see, you already have reasons to open account on Primexbt. So if you go down a little bit here, as you can see, you can have it on your laptop, on your app, on your iPad, on your Mac, whatever. The site is very cool and the design is very interesting for all the devices out there. So as you can see here, there is innovative tools with advanced features. So the first tool that you need to use, or you can use while being a member of Primexbt, is the customizable platform layout. So you can just choose your layout as you want. You can put the chart on the left, on the right. You can put those tools on top and down. You choose the tools that you want to use because you know yourself better than anyone else. They are just giving you the tools and you need to have the best crypto or trading experience. So yeah, first of all, it is customizable. Second of all, it has some professional charts. As you can see here, there are a lot of options. You can see it that they have 50 technical indicators to analyze price trends. They have multiple order types. So as you can see here, you need to read more about these because these are really interesting. And of course, secure wallets. As you can see here, withdraw, deposit, and store your assets in your personal secure wallet. And all the assets are securely held in the storage system. So basically, Primexbt is giving you the full experience, secure experience, easy experience, and of course, cool to learn and with profit, obviously. So if you want to set up your trading account, you just have to go to products, margin trading, and press this button right here, set up your trading account, and registration takes only 40 seconds. So here they have a small list on their markets. So Primexbt offers access to global markets including cryptocurrency, Forex, commodities, and indices from a single account. As you can see here, Bitcoin with the last price, the changes in the last 24 hours, the market, everything. So you can see here Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Litecoin, AOS, ADA, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, and many other coins. So here it says take your trading to the next level. Primexbt platform helps you improve your results while trading 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. So as you can see here, this section is very easy to browse. All you have to do is just going on primexbt.com and then go to products, margin trading, and just come here and press this open free account or read more about these sections because these are very cool features that they are offering to the newcomers. So make sure you read more about them. So guys, we are now after logging in on the account and I'm going to show you the yield account and what can you do with this feature. So once you log in or register on primexbt.com, the link will be in the description below. Make sure to use our code for some really good surprises offered by Primexbt. So if you go here, there is a yield section that says here yield and you press it and it will take you to the yield account, which is basically some profit that you will be making yearly from your assets. So for example, here as you can see here, the API, which is the annual percentage yield rates for all the cryptocurrencies. For example, the highest is for Ethereum, which is 0.52%. And if you want to just like get that, you can just press start earning. But there are some really interesting features here, which are this standard yield. There's the advanced one for 0.65%. There's the premium one for 0.78% and the elite for 1.05%. So basically it's like whenever you are investing more in that level, you level up and then you go to the advanced level, premium, and elite. If you wanna just start earning passive income, so just put your money in an asset and just use this yield feature, and with time you will be getting even more and more passive income until you reach the 1%, 1.05% yearly, which is kind of good at this rate for the elite level. So yeah, you need to check it out. So if you want to check it out, please make sure to go on Primexbt. The link will be in the description below. Make sure you register with our code that will be also in the description below, and you just go to this yield section and you start earning money easily by just buying these assets and pressing this start earning button. So guys, we are now on the official Twitter account of Primexbt. The link will be also in the description below, so make sure you follow them. So as you can see here, they have 106k followers on Twitter, which is really insane for a project like this. So make sure you follow them because they are going viral on the internet. Everyone is just loving the way that they are presenting the features, the way that they are presenting posting the new stuff that's being released on the website. So make sure you follow them on Twitter just by clicking the link in the description below and pressing this button right here. So use Bitcoin to margin trade crypto, gold, oil indices, FX, and more. Copy the best traders, because we already talked about copy trading, and trading is risky. They have also here an email account for help or for questions, and all the questions that are being asked on email or on social media that are being answered on the official website in the FAQ section. So make sure you follow that and you get you into that. So as you can see here, they are posting some really nice posts, some really nice designs on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. They post a post 50 minutes ago, and they said the scheduled maintenance has been completed. The platform is operational now. So the platform was on hold because they were doing some stuff and some maintenance on it, and now it's released and you can use Primexbt again with the new features that they are released. So as you can see here, they also have some new projects that they're working on, new releases, new giveaways. So make sure you follow them on social media, and not only on Twitter, but they also have a Facebook page, an Instagram page, a YouTube channel that they are posting videos on, and of course a Discord channel where the community are speaking and sharing their experiences there. So make sure you follow them. The links will be in the description below. So guys, that's it for today's video. We talked about Primexbt, we talked about copy trading, margin trading, all of these new features that are going viral on the internet, and everyone is just registering on Primexbt just for these features. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel ICO Investor, and make sure to comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. And of course, check the description below for all the links and information needed to start using Primexbt. Thank you and have a good day.